Hello everyone, I will explain how to use Terraform AWS Terraform AWS module along with lookup function, merge function, tomap function, and in the next video I will explain Terraform output in deep dive. Module itself is deep dive, and so let's start. And it's already I have wrote some code. Basically, it is a how directory structure is a one module Terraform version, and then this is the parallel main terraform.dev verse, and then this is the variables, right? Variables basically definition, and for the same variable terraform dev.tf verse, it's a declaration. So I have used. Let me tell you how to this is like so you everyone aware about source EC2 and then AWS. So module source is this, right? EC2 and AWS. This is the module source. Okay. Module source means if you are going to create a EC2 instance module, right? So everything need to be explained here, and what is the required things input required to launch a EC2 instance. So you here inside that we can pass the values, right? So why we will pass the values? So if you want to use my mod written modules at your end, so you just need to call write main.tf module EC2 instance and source if it is on GitHub. So HTTPS path you can mention, and then whatever the required key field you just need to pass, so you can launch your EC2 instance as per your AMI. So I told you lookup. I'm going for lookup, merge, to map functions, and next video I think I will explain output in very deep dive, right? How to use module output and all, and how to module output revert and all these things as per the resource basis in a source code, source module basis as well, right? Basically this I'll take later on this, right? Next video. So this is a boot disk, secondary disk, and all these things. This is the key name. This is the only variable, and all these variables is required to run the module, right? Tags. Let's first lookup function. Lookup function. Terraform lookup function basically required a map type of a value, and map itself a combination of key value. Key value means, let me tell you, it's a AMI, right? This is the AMI. This is the key. Error is a key. Haha is a value. So why I added this, right? If key is not matched in the lookup function, so it will return error. Okay. So that is the map function. Map function is needed when you have a multiple option. Need to select one as per your environment. So I have a different AMI for DAB, production, test, QA. So I have used this scenario in this lookup function, right? This is the variable AMI map type, and this is the definition is terraform.dev.tf var AMI like DAV. Inside DAV, this is the AMI, right? AMI is the map type, right? This is key, this is value. So we are going to launch this using this AMI instance. I have already launched, I'll tell you. So this is the main.tf. Let me tell you what is the written. I think lookup is clear. Where.environment, it is a DAV. So DAV AMI it will pick up. Okay, environment value is the DAV, right? Environment, if I tell environment here, I have defined is the DAV. So DAV value, DAV is here, like, so this will AMI automatically pick up, right? So I hope it is clear, right? Lookup function, how to use. Okay, and security group key name. This is the parameter if you are going to launch any EC2 instance, right? So we are using through EC2 module, right? And merge function where.tags. Where.tags also is a map string. Map string means key value itself. Okay, uh, same type. And merge it has a capability to key value pair, add the key value while we are going to launch our EC2 instance. So these tags also added with, right? Okay, these one name would be web01 instance, and where.tags. What is the where.tags? Let's explain. This is the top level directory structure. This is not module resource, right? This is a top level, right? Tags means this is a map string, right? This is also a map string. Terraform tags. Tags is defined environment multiple. So these tags also control jet. These also added, right, inside the your EC2 instance, right? These tag also added, and this one also, this one also come, and one more tag is the source where is our module written, right? So module where is our source code. Okay, so this is lookup is understood, merge is understood, and inside that this module I have used tomap. Okay, let's EC2 AWS. This is the path, right? Okay, EC2 and AWS, and this is the our source module. I mean, you just need to write main.tf, and then if my this code is on GitHub, so just pass the my repository URL, and you just need to pass at your end, so it will execute it at your end as well. Just need to pass your AMI and all these things. Nothing more than that needed. Okay, let's come main.tf is the module, exactly module where it is written. It is like same Terraform plain structure resource AWS instance web count I have used. Okay, count is the where dot status. Status is boolean type. It's a true. Then count value will come right accordingly. So it is passed at our main level, right? Count, right? This one, right? And it is here. Its status is true. So I think it will accept, right? But these are the thing: AMI, key name, instance type, and where dot subnet, right? Root level of device. This is the root level. Okay, root like dev xvda1 root level volume. Okay, EBS block volume, other volumes, dev as dv2, and this is required, right? Device name is required if you are going to launch any instance, so device name is must needed. Okay, here it is. I told you na merge along with tomap. Okay, tags, right? We have already passed the tags, right? Where dot tags, right? Okay, at the module level, right? First main.tf. This is the source code of the module. Where.tags, right? Created by Terraform. So these tags will come when our EC2 instance launched. And this is the output. Okay, I will explain in deep dive in output basically. As per my overall experience, I will explain in detail, right? All these things. So these are the key requirement parameter. What we have to pass here, and just tell you one thing. Main dot is a source level. We do have a all variable defined, right? Key name, string, variable, subnet. If you have defined anything, na, like here, right? Which needed like AMI type. If you have to pass here AMI, and you have to pass main.tf, so it will consider your TF, right? This is the main difference. So all the variable at the source level I have defined, right? So I can close this, right? Otherwise confused. So let's come on the demo part, right? Okay. I have AWS configure manually. I have access key, secret key added. So version and all. This is the Terraform in it. It is masked, right? And Terraform apply. Okay. And I told you na lookup automatically work, right? This is our EC2 instance, as per the dev AD. So I think you can understand my AMI is AD, right? Dev part automatically pick up, right? Lookup part, right? And I tell you the tag part, okay, because it is written. So all tags is coming created by the Terraform. It's a AWS module source, and where is directory structure? These are the given, right? Okay, hope you understood. And EBS volume block device. It's a 5 GB I have created, and this is the root block device 10 GB I have done. If you want the these value, so this is the here, right? Boot disk 10 GB, secondary disk 5 GB at my level, right? Like at this level, right? Right. This is the module, right? Okay, and output will come. Next, Terraform apply already, right? This is Terraform apply, right? Hope you got it. Terraform apply, right? Okay, and now it's creation part. Instances creating. This is ID double FD0, right? it is created. And let's come to output perspective. I'll explain in the separate video. Okay. And this is the our instance ID, right? Let's go for the AWS console and verify all these things. Web01, it is a name. Okay. Web01, it is a name. I have passed. Name is Web01. Okay. Tags is like merge in all these function, right? It is all coming, right? If you are going to detail section, AMI part, right? Let me tell you. Subnet AMI AD. This is the AMI. This is the AMI I have passed here. Dev AD. Okay. Tags AMI lookup function merge function is done. So that is the hope. I hope you understood the Terraform modules. Thanks. Thanks for watching.